Alright guys, lana sino Harry Cele wase Richview koYellow versus ubaba uMpabanga uMongezi, the one and only Qwaki man, the one and only umrapper waseKatsi. Yes. This man umakhelwane bazolwa namhlanje bazoshayana ngequpha kuyoze kukhala umama bashaye ngalo ngayizali. Nange faka ama mouthpiece. Nange menzela umusa umgqokisa ama gloves omrock. Alright. It's about to start. It is about to go down. Isukile. Nangu Harry qala. Nange shaya uMpabanga. Likhala ebusweni likhala nomngephi. Shaya uMpabanga. Hayi umfanganani uPitsi. uPitsi wani. Minus 1 point. Ziyakhala backyard. Ziyakhala. Richview koYellow. Lange mana. Pause a bit.